5-mile radius of the administration office must shelter indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Remain away from exterior walls. Do not attempt to approach the government complex. Imperial Security Protection Police Tactical Forces, supported by the 207th Infantry, are now responding. The intruders are described as bullet-wearing and marked green jackets, bullet-carrying automatic weapons seized from unknown sources, bullets moving in teams of 2 to 4, bullets believed to be connected to rebel elements operating outside EAS law. Civilians must not film, photograph, or broadcast live footage of ongoing Imperial security operations without permission. Doing so will interfere with counter-terrorism efforts and may result in detention under Section 12 of the EAS Imperial Protection Code. Updates will be provided every 20 minutes until the situation is under control. This has been an emergency alert system message issued by the Imperial Security Protection. Stand by for further instructions. Do not turn off your device unless instructed.